Namaste, dear learners. I welcome you all to our series of video lessons on the novel The English Teacher, which is prescribed for BA 4th semester Basic English, Rani Channamma University, Belagavi. And I am Basavaraj Bidgi, Assistant Professor of English, GFGC, Yaragatti. In our previous classes, we have discussed the novel and we have done with the third chapter, wherein we learnt about the death of Susila, as well what happened on the day of her funeral. And in this chapter and in this session, we will discuss how Krishna's life was after the death of Susila. For Krishna, all the days seem to be blank and empty. Krishna feels that everything is blank and empty. There was a peculiar blankness in Krishna's life, and he did not know what to do, and he did not have happiness in doing anything. ಏನನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕತ್ಲಾಗಿಯೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಜಗತ್ತು ಶೂನ್ಯ ಅನಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಾಗಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಶೀಲಾ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಗು ಲೀಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರವೇ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭರವಸೆಯಾಗಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. He says, the child Leela was a relief for all my burdens, all my suffering, all my pains, because Leela was very quick, she was fresh, and she would mock her elders with her carriages. So Leela starts mocking the elders, and she starts imitating the elders, and these things brought a kind of happiness in the life of Krishna. Krishna do not think about the place where he was, and he doesn't think anything but the child. ಅವನು ಯಾವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇವಲ ಮಗುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And all the while Krishna would think of the child, Krishna would think how to rear the child, and Krishna was not ready to send the child with her grandparents, because he thought that by seeing the face of Leela he would become happy, he would forget his sorrows, he would forget his pains. And but the grandparents of Leela wondered how this man will be able to look at the child. ಈ ತಾಯಿಯೇ ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಆ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಿಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಹರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹರ್ ಅ ಬಾತ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ದಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಅ ವುಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬಾತ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಹಿ ವುಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಡ್ ಹರ್ ಹೇರ್. ಅವಳ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬೈತಲೆ ತೆಗೆದು ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬಾಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವುಡ್ ವಾಶ್ ಹರ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಸಿ passes her urine, and he would clean her clothes, and he would keep the count of her jackets. Krishna knows everything about the child, and Krishna was playing double role in his life now. ಎರಡು ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ತಂದೆಯ ಪಾತ್ರ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಾಯಿಯ ಪಾತ್ರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ಸ್. ಎರಡೂ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ child and because of his interest in looking after the child. uh, the play of the child, the games of the child kept Krishna alive. And his sole aim in the life now was to see that the girl did not feel the absence of mother. Krishna says his whole and soul responsibility on earth now is making the child not to feel the absence of her mother. ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಇರದಿರುವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಆ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇರುವ ರೀತಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೈಟ್ the child kept Krishna busy, and in looking after the child, Krishna forgot all the pains, all the sorrows, all the sufferings of he losing his wife. Krishna all the while had to keep the girl cheerful, and in doing so he would keep himself cheerful. ಅವನು ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಸ್ ಮದರ್ ವುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮಾಲ್ಗುಡಿ, she would stay there for a little while because she had to look after his father who was sick with his strokes. She would come and stay for a couple of weeks in Malgudi, looks after the child, and but Krishna would understand what it was meant for his father to stay alone in the village when his mother was there with him in Malgudi. ಅವನ ತಾಯಿ ಮಾಲ್ಗುಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನೇನು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ Krishna's father has become utterly helpless recently, and he could not prepare his food, and he would starve if his mother was not there in the home. His father was not able to look after himself even for an hour if his mother was away from the home, because Krishna's father would not find his clothes, and he did not remember when to have his dinner or when to have his tiffin. And his father was also not able to ask for the dinner. And whenever his mother come and stay in Malgudi for a couple of weeks, after his mother returns to village, it takes her months to bring him and his health under control. When Krishna's mother would stay in Malgudi for a couple of weeks, his father's health would be deteriorated, and after his mother returns to the village, it would take months together to take the health of his father under control. And but at the same time his mother was very good, and she helped Krishna without any complaints. But Krishna, knowing the problems faced by his father, could not accept the services of his mother indefinitely. And Krishna at this time thinks that the God has given me some novel situations, some novel problems in life, and he thinks that I have to overcome all these things. And he decides to face all the problems alone, and he did not wish to drag or bring another to do the job for him. And Krishna makes a resolution. That resolution is to face all the problems of his life alone. And when his mother was about to leave, he was not unhappy. He sent her happily after making his resolution. Whenever Krishna's mother was returning to the village from Malgudi, she would ask Krishna to send the child with her. And whenever Krishna says no, she would become angry on Krishna, and she would call Krishna stubborn. And when Krishna says he would not send the child with his mother, she would become angry and she would leave Malgudi. And whenever she sat in the bus, Krishna and the child would go to the bus stop to send his mother to the village. And whenever they are standing beside the bus, looking through the window, his mother's face, Krishna would not make the child unhappy. And Krishna's mother would ask questions time and again to Krishna, how he would look after the child. And Krishna would reply as if it was a big pit. He would tell his mother, God wants me to learn these things and I do them efficiently. ದೇವರು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಂದ ನಾನು ಜಾರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬೈ that time Krishna's mother's eyes would fill with tears and she would start crying. Krishna's mother would say, I did not see such things in our family and you are very stubborn and you are not ready to send the child with me. Krishna's mother would blame him. Krishna did not interrupt in his mother's crying because he wants to treat such situations with bravery. Many people had sent Krishna condolences and words of courage, lamentations or assurances, and all these things were same to Krishna. He did not felt happy when people gave him some courageous suggestions. As well, when people cry remembering Susila, he would not feel any different. Now Krishna had become a professional in accepting the reality. He says, it did not move my heart whenever people express their condolences or sympathy for him and the child. Krishna would receive condolences and sympathy every day, every now and then, very calmly. And Krishna now have become associated with death and its associates. Early in the days after the death of Susila, he was in a shock, but now it seems all right to Krishna. And when Krishna's mother was sitting in the bus, his mother turns her face towards the other direction because she did not want the child to see the tears in her eyes. Child would ask her grandmother when she will be coming back to Malgudi. At that time, Krishna's mother would control her crying and would say, I will come back very soon. But Krishna did not want to create illusions in the life of the child, and he want the child to grow without any illusions of happiness in her life. And Krishna would say, your grandmother will not be able to come back very soon because she had to look after your grandfather. And he would say to the child that the grandmother have to nurture her grandfather. And he talks about his pet, ಹಣೆ ಬರಹದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. He says, there are a lot of twists and turns in our fate and we have to accept those twists and turns happily. we should not go on complaining about the problems of our life in front of anybody. And he says we have to accept the truths and facts of life open heartedly. And the child is also prepared to accept the answer of Krishna calmly. And once again the child questions Krishna, how long will she be away? ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಳಿ ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಮಗು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ದ ಲೇಡಿ, ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. But that question made Krishna's mother cry more and more, and she would assure the child that she would come back very soon. By the time the conductor blew his whistle to move the bus, and there was a old village woman was sitting beside the mother of Krishna, and she would look after the grandmother of Leela and towards the child. And the village woman asked Krishna's mother what is happening. Then Krishna's mother told all the story of Krishna, Susila and Leela, and the village woman becomes very sympathetic towards the child Leela. And the village woman clapped her hand and called Leela as poor girl. And village woman who was sitting beside Krishna's mother asked Krishna's mother when Krishna is going to marry again. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡನೇ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ತಾಯಿಯ ಬಾಜು ಕುಳಿತಂಥ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇರಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ when the mother of Krishna would not talk about the marriage in front of Krishna, the village woman herself started asking Krishna, when are you going to marry? ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಕೃಷ್ಣನನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. And by that time Krishna's mother becomes very angry and tries to suppress the words of the village woman. But the old woman could not be suppressed. The old woman's voice could not be suppressed so easily. And the old woman, the village old woman said, why not? He is very young, and how can he manage? The child was the question of the village woman. By that time Krishna's mother would say, that is what I also tell Krishna. ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ he doesn't listen to my words ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ತಾಯಿ ಆ ವಿಲೇಜ್, ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. By the time the conductor was quarreling with one person over the change. ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಗಳವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಡುವುದು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ತಡವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೀಡ್. ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ತಾಯಿಯ ಬಾಜು ಕುಳಿತಂಥ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್, ವೆನ್ ದ ಬಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್, ಬಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಸ್, ನಾವು ಸರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀವ್ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿ ವಿದಿನ್ 15 days ಆಫ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವೈಫ್. ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಸತ್ತು 15 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೂಯಿನ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ 4th wife to my husband and he always married within 3 weeks. She says her own story ದಟ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡನಿಗೆ ನಾಲ್ಕನೆಯ ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ 3 ಜನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯರನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ 3 ವಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಆದ ಅಂತ ಸಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ದ 14 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ 4 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥ 14 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬೈ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, Leela was sitting on the arms of Krishna, and Leela was looking at the scene spellbound. And as the bus moved, Krishna's mother says, don't fail to give her an ointment and bath every Friday, otherwise she will lose all her hair. When the bus starts moving, Krishna's mother gives one more suggestion, that Krishna should give the child oil ointment and head bath on every Friday, otherwise Leela would lose all her hair. This was the suggestion of Krishna. And thank you very much. We will discuss what happens next in our next video session.